Neck mask for wrinkles. The skin around our neck is delicate and prone to wrinkles, making us feel self-conscious and even aging us beyond our years. While often overlooked, the appearance of wrinkles around our neck is a common concern among many people, especially as we get older. These can be caused by a variety of factors, including genetics, sun damage, and lifestyle habits that we will delve into to give you an idea of what to do and where to go on your skincare journey. There are ways to prevent and minimize their appearance, so you can feel confident and proud of your neck at any age. What causes wrinkles around the neck? At a certain point, wrinkles become part of our natural aging process. As we age, our skin slowly loses its elasticity, and it becomes more difficult for the skin to bounce back as it once did when we were young. The skin has trouble promoting collagen production, making our skin sag and deepening those fine lines. Accumulated damage from environmental stressors such as pollution, changing weather, and fluctuating temperatures can also accelerate the appearance of wrinkles. Pair that with a lack of protection, care, and certain lifestyle factors, and you have got yourself wrinkles for days. The skin around our neck is thin and fragile, making it more susceptible to damage, naturally needing more attention from you. Sun damage. It is always nice to feel the warm sunshine on your skin on a beautiful day out. That is, when you are protected. Otherwise, you are overexposed to the sun's harmful UV rays that can easily damage the skin, especially the neck area. It would be best to prepare with a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30 or higher, making sure it shields you before stepping out into the sun. For added protection, you can also layer in moisturizer before the SPF goes on to lock in moisture and stay hydrated for the day. Staying moisturized will also help shield your skin from added damage. Genetics. Some people are more prone to wrinkles around the neck simply because it is in their genes. We all age differently, and this is one of the differences that set us apart. But don't fret. Skincare is not a lost cause in this case. Taking care of the skin in general will help reduce the appearance of these wrinkles. Whether it is genetics or just the aging process catching up with our looks, making sure our skin is healthy and protected will always manifest in noticeable changes that will boost our confidence back up. There are products out there like Truffoure's Black Truffle Instant Repair Syringe that give us hope beyond the invasive treatments that some may recommend. Poor nutrition and bad habits. A diet lacking in essential vitamins and minerals can contribute to skin damage and premature skin aging, including wrinkles. Having a balanced meal not only contributes to our overall health, but also shows on our skin. Other habits, such as smoking, can cause the skin to age faster, and not sleeping enough disrupts the skin's recovery process. What can we do about neck wrinkles? When it comes to finding effective solutions for wrinkles around the neck, it can be overwhelming to sort through the countless options available. Other than the answers we have already shared, there are also neck exercises, invasive treatments, stiff sleep positions. Certain sleeping positions can fold or put too much pressure on the skin that it wrinkles. But if none of these seem appealing, your best option will be proper skincare techniques and products that will lessen the appearance of neck wrinkles. They say pretty hurts, but if you aren't a fan of invasive procedures, there are always topical treatments available to you that deliver rejuvenating and youthful-looking results without any pain or getting off the couch. Neck masks. Like facial masks, neck masks work to replenish, repair, and rejuvenate the skin, packed with active ingredients that lift, smooth, and soften. These masks are usually hydrating in a form of a cream or sheet infused with a potent formula. These are meant to stay on for a particular amount of time to let the solution seep into the skin, helping improve skin elasticity by promoting collagen production and reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. With regular use, neck masks will help you achieve smoother and more youthful-looking skin that will turn heads and boost your confidence. The Truffoire Way. As with anything skincare, it can just be scary. So if this is your first baby step into addressing your neck wrinkles, or you have been burned before by other brands, give Truffoire a chance and you will never have to worry again. Whether you're looking for a preventative regimen or a more intensive treatment for existing wrinkles, Truffoire offers a range of products designed to target specific areas and concerns with expertise. But for a hectic, schedule-friendly addition to your existing routine, or a first time to try anything kind of skincare, within Truffoire's Diamond collection is their neck tightening mask you can do at home. The Diamond Truffle Neck and Chest Mask is a pack of luxurious, targeted treatments designed specifically for the neck and chest area. It comes with 8 neck and chest masks to accompany you on your relaxing leisure time, as the masks hug the contours of your neck and chest perfectly. The mask set is infused with high-quality ingredients, including black truffle extract that work to nourish with its essential fatty acids that deeply condition the skin, paired with the moisture-binding abilities of hyaluronic acid to hydrate and diamond powder to remove dead skin cells, revealing your glow. The lifting and firming treatment made by Truffoire is on par with their other revolutionary anti-aging formulas. The masks instantly lift and firm the area, targeting skin aging and leaving you with a smooth appearance and a pep in your step once you see the results. The Truffoire neck masks carry long-term and lasting benefits, such as promoting elasticity, brightening dull complexion, and rebalancing your skin tone. Say goodbye to dry and sagging skin when you put yourself in Truffoire's capable hands. Conclusion: are neck masks worth it? If you are ready to take your skincare routine to the next level, then neck masks are a luxurious addition to your regimen or any pamper session for your me time. The transformative power of neck masks is vital for skin recovery targeted towards the area that shows skin aging faster than any other areas of the skin. The powerful solution in neck masks, such as the one in the Diamond Truffle Neck and Chest Mask, are formulated specifically for the neck area, taking into account its fragility, care that is not found in your regular cream or serum. Frequently asked questions: how often should I use neck masks? It depends on what type of mask it is. But with the Diamond Truffle Neck and Chest Mask, it is best to use once every 3 to 4 weeks. Do you apply a mask to wet or dry skin? It is best to clean and dry your skin before applying mask treatments. How long should you leave a mask on? Leave on for 15 minutes or no longer than 20 minutes to avoid the mask from drying out along with your skin.